this lesson, we're going to review the max, min, and median formula. The typical use case of the min-max formula is to determine the smallest and largest values in a field based on specified aggregation or grouping. The median, on the other hand, is the number in the middle of a set of numbers. So it's not the average, but it's the number in the middle. Let's take a look at the formula in greater detail. So the formula is essentially just looking at numbers in a number range in which you want to find the maximum, minimum, and median value. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. Let's take a look at an example of how we apply each of these formula in practice. So in our example, the general manager of a second-hand car dealership wants to know the largest, smallest, and median sale of the current year. The financial analyst generates from its sales journal the raw data of the dealership's sales for the current year and uses the min, max, and median formula to perform the calculation. The results are summarized below. Note that if you wanted to apply conditions to the max and min formula, you would need to use the minifs and maxifs formula, which are part of a different lesson where we show the plural version of these formula. But for the purpose of this equation and this lesson, we're just focusing on the singular version, i.e. min, max, and median. So in order to find the largest, smallest, and middle number, we're going to take a look at the data within the table starting at row 36. So we've got sales data for 2019. There's a total of 60 records, and the sales revenue is contained within column G. The solution is in cells D25, D26, and D27. So all we need to do in order to find the largest sale amount is to use equals max and then highlight the entire sales revenue column of the data table. So we use the formula max G37 colon G96 and it returns the largest value of 19,000. We can use the min formula to find the smallest value in the range, and that's $1,250. And the median value, i.e. the number in the middle, is 11,215, and we just use the equals median formula and highlight the sales revenue data within the table. So as you can see, it's a very simple formula to use. Rather than sorting data to try to find the min, max, or median, I would suggest using these formulas going forward. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.